This afternoon I spoke to solicitor James McNally, who specialises in cases involving dog attacks. He says the current law isn't working as it doesn't protect people from being attacked in the first place.
There needs to be perhaps dog licensing coming back into play, compulsory microchipping so that dogs can be traced back to owners, and perhaps compulsory insurance for dog ownership as well.
In the cases that you've dealt with, how much do you think it is down to the dog or the type of dog, and how much is it down to the owner or the conditions in which the dog is kept?
I think it's all down to the conditions and the environment the dog is in. It really doesn't matter on the type or breed of dog. If the dog isn't, for example, exercised properly, or isn't given the right stimulation, or even the right diet or the right treatment by a vet, that dog can be aggressive, or a dog can just be having a bad day.
What kind of injuries have you seen in your work?
It's anything from a tip of the finger being bitten as a hand goes through a post box to I've got one client who has lost their nose because a dog, as they leant over, just reached them a bit. I've got several clients who are having to have reconstructive surgery on their lips because they've lost lips because of similar injuries.
And it's not just banned dogs that you're seeing injuries from?
No, I think it's any type of dog that can cause an injury. And dogs' mouths are full of bacteria, and when they bite they can cause not just a kind of clean wound, like if you cut yourself with a knife, but really ragged wounds that can cause nerve damage and muscle damage. And even a fairly simple bite can lead to someone having to have an operation and a general anaesthetic to wash it all out properly.
Now, we're a nation of dog lovers, of animal lovers, so a lot of people listening to this will be thinking, but dogs are great. How serious a problem do you think this is?
I think it's really a very serious problem. I mean, dogs are great, and they offer companionship and a great deal of love and entertainment for many people and families across the country. But the issue here is people knowing and having the knowledge of how to properly care for a dog and bring it up in such a way so that these attacks don't happen.
James McNally, thank you very much.